For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a mushroom business can be a highly profitable venture due to the growing demand for organic and plant-based food. Mushrooms can be cultivated with relatively low startup costs, minimal space, and short growth cycles. Leveraging free artificial intelligence tools can streamline many of the business processes, from planning and branding to marketing and operations. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you launch your mushroom business using AI efficiently and affordably. Step 1. Research the mushroom market. Before anything else, you need to understand your local and global market. Identify the most in-demand mushroom varieties, shiitake, oyster, lion's mane, or button mushrooms, and decide what fits best with your budget and climate. Use ChatGPT or Perplexity AI to explore current trends and demand. For instance, prompt, "What are the most profitable mushroom types to grow in Florida in 2025?" or create a market analysis summary of the mushroom industry in the U.S. Google Trends and AI-powered search aggregators like U.com can also give insight into consumer interest over time, keywords, and trending topics around mushrooms. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI. A solid business plan outlines your vision, target market, startup costs, production plan, and revenue forecast. ChatGPT can help you generate a full plan. Prompt: create a detailed mushroom farming business plan for a small-scale indoor farm targeting local farmers markets and restaurants. Include startup costs, revenue forecast, and operational needs. You can refine your plan further by using Notion AI for organizing content, or Canva Magic Write to create structured and well-designed documents if needed for presenting to banks or partners. Step 3. Choose a growing method and setup. Mushrooms can be grown using different methods: logs, bags, containers, or hydroponics. AI can help compare methods based on your space, climate, and goals. Prompt ChatGPT. Compare different small-scale mushroom cultivation methods with pros, cons, costs, and space requirements. Once you select a method, use Google's AI-powered image search or Sketchdot to visualize and design your grow setup. You can also ask ChatGPT, "Give me a step-by-step setup plan for growing oyster mushrooms indoors using grow bags." Step 4. Source materials and equipment. Compile a list of what you need: spores or spawn, substrate, humidity control tools, shelving, lighting, and containers. Use ChatGPT or Gemini by Google to generate supplier lists. Prompt: list reliable suppliers of organic mushroom, spawn, and substrates in the United States with estimated pricing. Use ChatGPT to write a professional outreach message to request quotes or bulk deals. Write an email template for inquiring about wholesale prices for mushroom spawn and grow bags. Step 5. Set up your branding and business identity. Now that you're moving toward production, create a name, logo, and identity for your mushroom brand. Use Loca or Canva AI logo generator to make a logo for free. Ask ChatGPT. Suggest 10 brand name ideas for an organic mushroom farm targeting health-conscious consumers. You can also ask, create a tagline and short brand story for a premium local mushroom grower. Use this content for your website, social media, and packaging. Step 6. Build a website and online presence. Your online presence is essential. Use free AI site builders like Wix with AI Site Generator or Doric AI to create a clean, responsive website in minutes. Ask ChatGPT. Write homepage content for a local mushroom farm selling fresh and gourmet mushrooms to restaurants and health stores. You can also use tools like Durable AI Website Builder to auto-generate your full site structure, content, and contact forms. Step 7. Develop a marketing plan using AI. Promoting your mushroom business can be made simple with AI tools that automate content creation, social media strategy, and email campaigns. ChatGPT can help build a marketing roadmap. Prompt: create a 3-month digital marketing plan for a new mushroom farm. including Instagram, Facebook, and email marketing. Use Canva's magic design for social media post graphics and Meta's AI Ad Manager for optimizing Facebook and Instagram campaigns. Email platforms like MailChimp now offer free AI content generation for newsletters and promotions. Step 8. Start growing and documenting. Now it's time to grow your mushrooms. Use Trello AI or Notion AI to manage your cultivation timeline, monitor daily tasks, and document results. Capture photos of the growing process for use in future marketing. Prompt ChatGPT. Create a mushroom cultivation log template with columns for date, strain, substrate type, humidity, yield, and notes. You can turn these logs into infographics or blog content using Canva and ChatGPT. Turn this log into a blog post on how to grow oyster mushrooms at home. Step 9. Create sales channels and partnerships. Determine how you'll sell your mushrooms. Direct to consumers, local farmers markets, grocery stores, restaurants, or online. Use ChatGPT to generate a pitch. Prompt. Write a professional email to a local restaurant offering Fresh Line's Maine mushrooms with sample pricing and delivery options. For pricing strategy, you can use Excel's AI tools or ChatGPT. What is a profitable pricing model for fresh gourmet mushrooms sold at local farmers markets? Step 10. Track progress and plan for scaling. After your first few harvests, evaluate what worked and what needs improvement. Use ChatGPT to build growth models. Prompt. Create a growth plan to scale a mushroom farm from 100 to 1,000 pounds per month within 1 year. Use Google Sheets or Airtable with AI integrations to track revenue, costs, and profits. You can also explore how to add product lines like dried mushrooms, tinctures, or mushroom grow kits using ChatGPT. List value-added mushroom products I can create to increase revenue. Conclusion. Starting a mushroom business can be both rewarding and scalable with the right strategy and tools. Free AI resources can take the complexity out of planning, branding, marketing, and scaling. From writing your business plan and marketing content to analyzing market trends and optimizing your operations, AI can act as a full digital assistant through every phase. By leveraging these tools thoughtfully, even first-time entrepreneurs can build a smart, efficient, and profitable mushroom farming venture. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.